Welcome to your City of Greensboro Weekly Flash Briefing. The City of Greensboro will be on the receiving end of more than $10 million in federal funds thanks to the efforts of Congresswoman Kathy Manning and U.S. Senator Thom Tillis. The federal grant dollars will support the following city projects: more than $3 million for the city's bus facilities program for buses, bus facilities, and bus equipment, $3 million to replace the computer-aided dispatch system in order to better equip Guilford Metro 911 to manage incoming emergency calls. The Greensboro Innovation District will be allocated $3 million. This is a designated area of the city designed to attract new business and create high-paying jobs. And $1.6 million will go toward workforce development initiatives, including technology and support services. Greensboro's Department of Transportation, on behalf of the Greensboro Urban Area Metropolitan Planning Organization, or MPO, has updated its public participation plan and Title VI non-discrimination policy. Residents have an opportunity to review and submit comments on the updated MPO Title VI plan by Wednesday, April 13th, and the public participation plan by Thursday, April 28th. The plans are available on the MPO's website. Comments may be submitted online or via email. The updated plans will be considered for adoption by the MPO's Technical Advisory Committee at 2 p.m. on Wednesday, May 11th. The meeting will be held virtually. For more information about the meeting, please visit the website or call Tram Truong at 336-373-2903. Guilford Works and Piedmont Area for Triad Healthcare, or PATH, will host the PATH Regional Healthcare Expo. This will be an online virtual event from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Wednesday, March 30th. Registration is required. Some of the region's top healthcare employers will be available to meet participants via chat and video conference to discuss job openings. Participating employers include Cone Health, Novant Health, UNC Health, and the Wellspring Group, to name a few. The event is made possible by Guilford Works, Davidson Works, PTRC Workforce Development Board, Regional Workforce Development Board, and PATH Membership Association Body. The city's Ad Hoc Committee on African American Disparity will host a virtual meeting at 6 p.m. on Thursday, March 24th. Participants and the public can join the meeting via Zoom using meeting ID 915-1305-6243. Attendees can also join the meeting by phone by dialing 301-715-8592. The primary objective is to address barriers that prevent success for African American residents in Greensboro by way of policies, procedures, and regulations. The Ad Hoc Committee on African American Disparity researches policy and procedures, obtains community feedback, and makes recommendations to City Council regarding ways to improve resource access for African Americans in the city. Also on the meeting calendar, the Commission on the Status of Women will host its next monthly meeting on Tuesday, March 29th. Participants and the public can join the meeting via Zoom using meeting ID 868-9224-9073. Attendees can also join the meeting by phone by dialing 929-205-6099. The mission of the Commission on the Status of Women is to improve the quality of life for women in Greensboro. This concludes the weekly flash briefing for the City of Greensboro. For in-depth news, tune in to FYI Weekly on Greensboro Television Network on Spectrum, AT&T, North State, and Roku. Keep up with the latest city news on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Be sure to download our weekly podcast, Talk City Greensboro. Thanks for listening and stay tuned for our next flash briefing.